Hi guys, my name is Corinne for those of you who do not know me, and if you do, thank you so much for clicking back on my video. So today we're talking about this really quick, easy, affordable hairstyle, my go-to. I love it. I do go to the salon for this. It is really easy to do on your own, but I do go to the salon for this mainly because I like perfection and I like atmosphere and stuff like that and talking to people. So that's a big deal for me, and it's my mom's salon, so I'm always there. But if you do it at home, it's super simple, super easy. Just follow what my stylist does in the video. So let's get straight into it, all right? Okay guys, see how super simple that was? Super easy that is? It's really literally less than $5 hairstyle. You really only need what? I use one bundle, but not bundle. One pack of braiding hair. But you can use two if you want, however long you want it. You can go long. I wanted it down to my waist, so this was the perfect length for me. Some people do super, super long. Maybe I'll try that one day. But it's up to you, whatever you decide. So make sure you check on my other videos. I do hair, makeup, skincare, weight loss. Just make sure you guys check out my other videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, guys. Thank you. Bye.